This device has been launched at a price of 19,999 and it is going to be available in the market for a lesser price very soon. And when it comes to the sleekness of the device is around 9.2 millimeter in terms of the overall thickness. If you actually take a look over here, and it is thinner than Nokia Lumia 920. And again, the screen size of this device is also bigger in terms of the screen size as compared to Nokia Lumia 920, which was previously launched last year. Now if we actually talk about the other specifications of the device, the weight of the device is around 159 gram. So that is the exact weight, which is again not very heavy, quite comparable to the other devices. And again, the screen size which you get with this device on this particular price point as compared to the other phones is quite commendable. And this phone has a better screen in terms of the overall display. The screen is quite good in terms of the overall display. As you can see, it is quite crisp and clear in terms of the overall pixels, although it may not be very precise in terms of the text formation if you take a look, but it looks pretty okay. The resolution of the display is not much. It is 480 into 800, which is quite low for a display of this size, but again it does not affect a lot, especially as you can see if you take a look. As far as the designing of the apps is concerned, as far as the font size is concerned, you won't notice any pixelation on this device, especially with this particular resolution. The pixel density of the display is around 199 pixels per inch, which is fairly okay, not too good again. Now if we actually talk about the screen is IPS LCD capacitive touch screen, so the viewing angles are also pretty good. As you can see, if you view the screen from this viewing angle, the colors are pretty okay. They definitely fade a little bit, but again pretty okay and much better than the other phones which we have in the same price segment as far as viewing angles are concerned, as you can see. Now talking about the screen protection, you have Corning Gorilla Glass 2 protection on this display, so it won't get the scratches very easily. Again, you can scratch it with the very pointed objects and it won't get the scratches very easily. Again, operating system is concerned, you have Windows Phone 8 coming on this device preloaded. Let me just show you the version of Windows Phone 8 which comes preloaded on this device. And one thing which is good, that all the Nokia Lumia 625 will get the Amber update pre-installed on the device once you buy the device. So it is going to be available from tomorrow, and this is the exact version of Windows Phone 8 which you will get on this device, as you can see. And let me just show you the storage on this device as well. Now if we check the storage over here, so you get around 7.2 GB total, out of which 2.7 GB is actually used as of now. And it also gives you what kind of data, what kind of files are actually using how much storage. So you will get an idea how much apps are actually consuming, how much media and other files are actually consuming, and how is the system memory is there. So system memory or the operating system memory is around 1.9 GB, and you get around 4.5 GB available on this device as far as the free storage is concerned once you get the device out of the box. Apart from this, you also get the Nokia Smart Camera application on this device, and this application also is a part of the Amber update. So this device which we have has the Amber update pre-installed on it, and you get the Nokia Smart Camera application preloaded onto this device, this application was introduced with Nokia Lumia 925 sometime back in London, and we actually showed you. And this is the same camera application in which you can actually take a shot like this, and then it will take the complete photo in this way, and then it allows you to actually choose different kind of effects which you can apply. So it can actually select a best shot effect like this. You can have an action shot in which you can have different people moving, and then you can specify them at different frames. For example, if it finds a specific person moving, you can actually see that person at different frames. And you can also have this motion blur as well, as you can see, in which it will focus on a specific object in motion focus, and then you will be able to see the motion blur. You also have the change faces, especially in case you are capturing photos of a group of people. You can actually change the faces over here, and you also have the option of removing certain objects, especially in case you are capturing a photo in a moving crowded environment and you would like to move some moving people behind you, you can move that. So we will give you a detailed review of this application later on. Apart from this, what other thing which comes preloaded onto this device as far as the entertainment is concerned, you also get the movies application which is called Your Movies. So once you go into Your Movies, this application is again very good application because it allows you to watch movies on the go full Bollywood movies, all the most popular Bollywood movies, and it is categorized at top viewed movies which you will be able to see. And one more thing which is good about these movies is that you can not only watch these movies online, and you have the option of watching these movies online both in the high definition format as well as in the standard format. You can also download these movies and watch them later. So you can also download these movies onto the device memory in case you want to watch the movie on your device, not to stream it online basically. So as you can see, you can download the movies, and it does have a large list of movies which you can download. You have the movies categorized in different sections, as you can see: action, drama, fantasy, musical, thriller, adventure, and all those things. And you also get a 58 Yash Raj films as well in case you like it. So you have all the movies which will list over here, all those which you have downloaded onto your device. Here we have the movie on the Your Movies application, which comes preloaded on Nokia Lumia 625. And once we play this movie, we just want to highlight one feature which we have over here in the video player. And again, I'm actually streaming this video over the 3G network, and whenever the movie starts playing, it will play in the full screen. So as you can see, the movie is getting played in the full screen. So you have the complete full screen utilized whenever you are watching any movies using this application at least. And when it comes to forwarding, again you are streaming the movie, and if you want to reverse or forward, it is just like an offline file which you might have on your device. So it is quite fast when it comes to forwarding and reversing to the frame which you would like to watch especially. So it won't actually download the data in between these two frames which you want to watch. You can actually forward and rewind the movie quite fast with this application, which is again pretty good. Now, apart from this, if we actually talk about the specification of this device, the inbuilt storage for this device is 8 GB, and the RAM which we have on this device is 512 MB of RAM. And again, you won't notice any lag because of the nicely designed UI and the proper multitasking which you will be able to see on this device. And you can actually tap and hold on the back key to see all these applications which are running in the background, and you can switch in between them. Again, you do not have the option of killing them as of now in this update. Even with the Amber update, you cannot kill this application. And Amber update, which comes pre-installed on Nokia 925 as well as on 625, also fixes a lot of bugs which were there present earlier. Now, as far as other specifications are concerned, on the back you have a 5 megapixel camera with LED flash over here, and it is an autofocus camera. When it comes to the front camera is a VGA camera, and you can do a video chat but not high definition video chat from the front camera. As far as the back camera is concerned, the back camera is 5 megapixel autofocus, and it is capable of recording high definition video at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Now, if we take a look over the ports and the design of the device is pretty good. It is quite good because it has rounded edges, so it is quite good to hold in one hand. And again, you have matte finished backside on this device, which again give you a nice grip. If we take a look over here, we have the dedicated camera shutter key over here, which will launch the camera application, and it can also launch the Nokia smart camera application. Here we have the power and sleep key. Here we have the volume rocker, as you can see. On the top, you have nothing apart from the 3.5mm audio jack. When it comes to this side, you have nothing, no ports. On the bottom, you have the micro USB port for data syncing and charging. Here you have the loudspeaker. Here you have the Nokia branding, and this device again comes in different colors. We have the yellow color available as of now, and we will show you other colors as well. So the device has a removable back cover, and it is not a unibody device, and in order to remove the back cover, you need to pull it out from the bottom side. So if it is like this, you have to pull it out from the bottom side like this, and it will easily come out. And let me just show you the back side of the device as well. So here we have the back side of the device, and the battery is again sealed inside. That means you cannot remove the battery even if you remove the back cover. Although you can access the micro SD memory card slot to expand the storage of the device, because the storage of the device is 8 GB internal and you get around 5 GB, so you can expand the storage of the device using in a micro SD memory card. You can see over here the SIM card will go on the top, which should be a micro SIM, whereas the memory SD card should go at the bottom over here into this port, which should be a micro SD memory card, not the full size memory card or the SD memory card. And the battery on this device is 2000 mAh, which should be quite sufficient to power up this display, and we will tell you no more once we do the detailed review of this device. And the correct way to put the back cover onto this device is that you need to first of all slide the device into the top part of it, and then you need to press the bottom part, and it will easily go. The device will easily get fitted into the back cover, and again you can remove the back cover. That means you can actually change the color and the look and feel of your device. This device comes in different colors including green, yellow, white, black and red. So you have around 5 colors available for this device. So as far as some software features are concerned, you also get 7 GB of SkyDrive storage available for this device once you buy it. And as far as the screen size is concerned, the screen size is 4.7 inch, which is pretty big, especially in case you want to enjoy watching movies or any kind of multimedia experience. That will actually be better on this device with this much of display. So let me just give you a quick camera overview, and we will just take a photo as of now of this iPhone 5. So as you can see, this is how the photo will look like. Let me just show you the photo. And when it comes to this photo, if I just show you, this is how the photo will look like when you take the photo. And you do have different shots in which you can actually, different effects which you can apply. You can apply a motion, focus and blur apart from the object on which you want to focus, and you can also have an action shot in case the object is moving. For the still shot, this is the best shot which has actually been selected out of the photo. Comes out to be pretty good on this device, especially from the back camera, which is a 5 megapixel camera, and the photo quality is quite good as you can see over here. And we will definitely let you know more once we do a detailed camera review of this device. That's all from us as far as the quick hands-on review of the Nokia Lumia 625 is concerned. Do let us know if you have any specific question for this device. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.